welcome back to my channel. Today we're having breakfast, bacon, eggs, and cheese, and fried potatoes. Look at that.
I'll show you a fried potato.
Alright, now we're going to say a prayer.
Because you forgot to pray before you ate. You forgot to pray before you ate.
Amen.
Amen. And amen again. Can you sit? Do it look like it's dark again?
Why you ain't say that you forgot?
Do it look dark again?
You forgot.
No.
Give me the ketchup, no.
Oh God, I'm only gonna be showing how.
Oh, no, there's packets right there. No.
I saw that. You said get the ketchup. I thought they were bad.
No, good.
Daddy, then why don't you have me go get it?
I think the sun going in and out. Behind us, that's why you keep reaching.
Yeah.
Oh, you said you don't want to be in it?
I don't want to be in it like that because I'm not good right now.
It's breakfast time, she. Shouldn't really be in it. It's early, too early for her. You want to start so bad.
I want to say something so bad.
Where you say you got this from?
The Dirty Bird.
The Dirty Bird.
Yeah.
You got this food from the Dirty Bird?
Mm-hmm.
Goldenpigeon.
Oh, I knew it wasn't that. Why did you say that?
If you're from the bridge, that's what they call it. Call it the Dirty Bird.
That too, Mommy?
You know, your favorite spot, the Dirty Bird. You and Kyle's favorite spot. I ain't lying, though. That's what they call it.
I know.
From the bridge, that's what they call it.
It's in a mean way or a good way?
I guess they trying to say. In the mean way, they call it dirty. I don't know. Cause it's not like it's in the hood. That's probably what they call it though.
Why do they call it like that? In a good way or bad way or what?
Why did they call it that? I don't know why. It was always good, especially back then. They used to have big plates. The portions got smaller over the years. When I was your age, these plates used to come out like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
People used to go there after they come to a party in the middle of the night.
And it's a diner, so everyone went there for breakfast. Everybody. You know what I mean?
That's been open for a long, long time.
Way before I was born. That's for sure.
Way.
Before Dippy was born too?
Mm-hmm.
Before 2001?
Because I used to go there when I was younger, so yeah.
Long time ago.
And I'm old.
In like the 1990s. Or even before that.
Probably. It was a while. I don't remember the year.
That's when Mommy used to have finger waves.
I never had finger.
Just to have real short hair and finger waves.
He lying. I never had that.
You know you was bald headed back in the day.
Never.
Yes, you was. That's why I ain't talk to you back
I was never. You don't even know me back in the day.
You
You was bald headed.
I
You
never
didn't even
ever
know.
been bald head back in the day.
You never
No, you
even
was.
knew her.
No, you was.
So what happened now?
Let your hair grow. Time change. Finger waves ain't in.
So I let it grow from finger waves and jerry curls.
And then perms.
And then perms.
Mm-hmm.
Perms break your hair off.
Yeah, I know that you start going to the Dominicans after that.
You ain't know me back in the day. Because you don't know I wasn't bald
You
head.
have finger waves.
I know. Mama did not have those.
She did.
Daddy didn't even know.
That's why I ain't even talk to. That's why I ain't talk to her.
Daddy didn't even know Mommy. They were
I didn't want to know her.
That's why I didn't talk to me.
No, I said they didn't.
No, that's what he
Daddy didn't
said.
even-
That's why he didn't talk to me. Everybody came out to eat except for Pierre, my oldest daughter. She's still asleep. She can't seem to get up.
Ooh, this looks good. It's like it looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so full.
Mm.
Yo, what if you two go back there and cook?
What, the one on there?
The one that's
Pepper?
loose?
I ain't gonna go back and cook it.
She said, Tight. Oh.
Mm.
Tight. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
She not old?
She only 8 years old.
How old is she in human years?
8 years
I
old.
mean in dog years.
I don't have to say the number.
Mm?
Is she about 40 something?
I thought y'all said 50 something last time.
Taya 56.
Is she?
She's older than Nana and Pop Pop. And Pop Pop 1 year away from being another little child. But next year,
Tight, stop.
next year,
She ain't hype right now.
I'm not stop eating
next
my
year, Taya's gonna be
potato.
63.
Man.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop eating my potatoes because
63.
I'm getting full. I need my sandwich. You want some? Yeah, I'll take the first bite of this one. That looks so good, don't it? Mm.
She was just a little baby, but now she's 8.
You gotta
56.
find her replacement.
No, I have a cow. She's the best puppy.
He gonna find her replacement.
If you do find another dog, you have to get it before Taya dies to make sure that she actually likes cow.
Oh,
and
I'm gonna lie. I had
cow.
2 dogs in the house.
Right.
Mom gonna lie.
2 dogs in the house, I ain't even care for the one. Only y'all first got, unless it's a baby dog or a little dog. That don't grab him. What? I didn't say I didn't like him. I said I didn't like the dog to be in the house in the first time when we first got it. Not that I don't like dogs. Now 2 inside of the house.
I need a dog before Tal dies, so I know that the dog that we got loves Tal as much as I did.
The dog has to love Tal as much as you do. Mm.
That dog gonna get on top of your nerves.
That is so sad.
But
Look at Buddy itching himself with this little thing. He has a little stick in the cage, like, you know, those fake wood sticks, smooth down. Trying to say it to the camera. It like goes up in his little stool thing, and he's just itching his head with it. And that's so sad. He can't itch it himself.
they stuffed this, right?
Yeah, Mom. When I look at Daddy's sandwich, it was barely stuffed.
His wasn't stuffed. That's why he
Yeah.
said he wanted to trade mine.
Yeah. I only had like one layer.
Cause mine was fully stuffed
Mine is too.
and cheesy.
I would rather trade it with Daddy.
I'm pulling it apart though. I'm getting full now.
Me too. I didn't even try a potato.
You didn't try potato?
Should I try one?
If you want to.
I dip in your ketchup.
It's hot, man. I'm about to turn on the air conditioner. I think I ate too much.
So you're gonna turn the air conditioner on. Cold as it is. We said it's 20 something degrees outside, right?
Outside, not in here.
It's 20-something degrees outside.
So imagine how that's
Nah,
gonna affect
it's
the inside.
30 something outside right
Yeah,
now.
because if it was 20
But you wanna put
it'd
it-
be snowing.
He wanna put the
27 this morning.
he wanna put the air on.
You don't even know nothing.
But below 32 degrees, it starts to snow.
We not having that. No, we not having that.
Y'all stay moving around these remotes, don't y'all?
So you.
I haven't
You don't want to be
used
losing the
TV in a
remotes all the
while.
time.
Where the remote at, yo? For real.
I haven't used the TV in 2 weeks.
If he looked, you'd be able to find it. It's not on the TV stand?
Y'all always touching stuff, grabbing stuff. That's why I turned it off and I put it over there. Then y'all grab stuff.
When I do use the TV, I put both the remotes on the little thing, on the tray.
Look at his face.
Mom, we forgot the thumbnail.
Ask Nasir that he come here and try the TV this morning.
Why are you gonna turn on the TV? No, I woke up with him. I'm always doing something.
Boy, hush.
I want that remote.
You don't watch TV in here anyway.
I'm watching it now. I got a haircut. I don't feel like making bed.
I'm tired.
Before
Yeah.
I figured that. Anywho. I'm full and I'm about to exit this video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified when our next video will be uploaded.
Until next time.
Bye bye.